This is a very residential street, again with plenty of small little tiny shops, and people are living. It feels residential. It's kind of a community here probably. Again, very clean. If you look on the streets, not much of the rubbish, and it's very quiet compared to the areas where I just been. It's more quiet, more peaceful here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bridge and go back to my hostel to organize my travel further. I'm like in someone's house, little tiny road to come out, and here I am. Turn left. Communal services are picking up the garbage. Okay, I need to turn left actually here. Okay, left, and then first right and first left. It's a really nice area here. Even smell is nice. Smell essential oil or something. It's lovely here. All little streets, all little gated houses. That means some of them are detached or small, and I can see the houses in good condition with post boxes. It's like someone's living, yeah, more life going on. But apparently it's a street. Even the motorbikes are here, so people are using this road for motorized vehicles. Okay, tiny street. Google Maps do fantastic job. I would never go here myself, and this is actually the wrong way. Okay, Google wrong. The house is located just there by the canal. Some of them has balconies, and the clothing are hanging out there on the balconies. So pleasing to see for the eye, the golden colors, the white colors. This house looks like a school, or maybe it's livable, maybe monks living here, or it's a school, who knows. Not 100% sure, and more of the temples just in front. Close to the bridge to cross the river back to my hostel. Yes, I found a way to go up the stairs. Okay, Bangkok, and here. So happy guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. So I'm gonna film more about my year travel in Asia. It's just my first really day from the morning when I woke up at 2 p.m. until now.